This video will show you how you can reset your Shein account's password if you've forgotten it during logging in. If you're going to log into your Shein account using the Shein application, but you've forgotten your password during logging in, then you can easily reset your Shein account's password. Open up the Shein application or log into Shein.com on a web browser and tap the Me button at the bottom right. Now tap the Sign In/Register button and then enter your email address or your mobile number in the text box and tap Continue. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter your password. If you're having trouble remembering your password for Shein, then tap the Forgot Your Password link. Now, enter your registered email address for Shein in the email address text box. You can also reset your password via phone number. To do so, tap on Reset Password via phone number right under Submit and follow through the on-screen prompts. To continue resetting your password via email, tap Submit. A reset link will be sent to you via your email. Go ahead and launch open your email and launch open the email that you received from Shein. Tap the Reset Password button inside your email and then this will take you to create a new password page. Type in the new password you would like to set for your Shein account and confirm the password by retyping it again in the next field. Finally, tap the Save button and you've successfully reset your Shein account's password. Next time you are logging into your Shein account, make sure to enter the new password. That is how you can easily reset your Shein account's password in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from Webtech Tutorial. I'll be back with more of these tutorials again. Thanks for watching.